So in this video, you'll learn how to turn off all alarms in a group on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So if you have multiple alarms in a group and you don't want to go through the process of disabling each alarm one at a time, then you can always choose to turn them off all at the same time. So all you need to do is just select the alarm group once you've opened the clock app on your phone. And once you've selected it, at the very top, you should see this button labeled turn all off. So just tap on it once and you'll notice when you scroll through the list of alarms listed in the group that all of them have been turned off successfully, which means that these alarms will no longer ring until you turn them on. So to turn them on, just turn all on, tap on that option, and all the alarms in the group will then be turned on at the same time. And so that's how you can turn off alarms in a group on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.